So today we're going to be teaching you the signs for America the Beautiful. Excuse me. We did this for our Patriot Camp, and we're going to be doing it on the 4th of July parade. And so we taught the first and the fourth verses, and that's what we're going to be showing you today. And then we'll play the music and let you practice it. So start learning these signs so you're ready for the parade. All right. The first verse, it starts with "Oh beautiful." So your hand starts here and it does like that around your face with your fingers. "Oh beautiful for spacious skies." You just point to the sky like this. "Oh beautiful for spacious sky." Now for amber waves of grain, your hands are going to be the grain blowing in the wind. For amber waves of grain. So, "Oh beautiful for spacious sky," for amber waves of grain. Now for purple, we're going to make a P. How you do that is your first finger is up like you're doing number one. Second finger goes straight out like it tried to do one and it made it halfway. And then your thumb holds that finger. If it's up like this, it's the letter K. If it's down, it's the letter P. And when we bounce it twice, that means the color purple. So we're going to say for purple. And then mountain, just like you're going up a hill, right? It's purple, mountain, majesty. So let's do that from the beginning. "Oh beautiful for spacious sky, for amber waves of grain, for purple, mountain, majesty." Now above, you have, this is your ground. The ground stays solid. Above, your other hand is just going to go a circle above the first hand, the ground. Above, and then the fruited plain, we're going to make a big area. So it's the same sign, it just starts small and then it gets bigger. So above the fruited plain. So all together, "Oh beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain, majesty, above the fruited plain." Now we have our chorus. Fingers together. That means united, like United States of America. So we're going to go America, America. Now for God, our hand goes down, but our eyes go up. So we do it this way. God, shed means it's coming from him. He's bringing it down. So we do God, shed his grace. We're going to do our middle finger moves and it goes like this, up. We're going to use that sign a few times through this, so you'll get that one down pretty good. So let's start from the beginning, from America. America, America, God shed his grace on thee. So this is just everybody, on thee. And crowned, so imagine your fingers are the points of the crown. Your point, and crowned thy good, similar to thank you, but you're going to your hand. And crown thy good with, and then brotherhood, you're going to interlock these two fingers. The rest of your fingers are pointing upwards, and you're going to do the same circle like America. So, and crown thy good with brotherhood from C, and then we have shining. It's the same one. You're going to go up with your middle finger moving to C. So let's do from America. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. So all together in the first verse. "Oh beautiful for spacious sky, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesty, above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea." Now for the fourth verse, it has the same ending on America. So we really only have to learn the first part of this verse, and that uses a lot of the same signs. So it's pretty easy. So the fourth verse starts with, "Oh beautiful." You already know that sign. O beautiful for patriot. So patriot, we're going to use the same sign as America, like this, just once. O beautiful for patriot. Now a dream starts in your head, and then think of the little bubbles that come out of your head, right? As you're dreaming, and then there's your dream like you see it in comics. O beautiful for patriot dream. Okay, that sees, see comes from your eyes, that sees beyond the years. You're going to start up close to you, and your hands are going to just go one in front of the next, and they're going to go out away from you. That's like moving in the future. So that sees beyond the years. Thine alabaster. Alabaster is a white rock, so we're doing the sign for white. So like you're pulling a necklace off your chest. Thine alabaster for city. This is your house, but a city has more than one house. So we're going to do roof, 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 roof. Okay, so there's lots of houses. Thine alabaster cities gleam. Same sign we did before. Let's start from the beginning on that one. So, O beautiful for patriot dream that sees beyond the years. Thine alabaster cities gleam. Undimmed, we're going to do is the same sign for clean or pure. It's just like you're wiping your hand. Undimmed by human tears. And that's it. And then it starts over with America, America. So let's try the whole fourth verse. Now, the difference is on the fourth verse, at the very end, it's going to repeat, and crown thy good with brotherhood. It's going to repeat that again at the very end. So let's just do that fourth verse from beginning to end. So it starts with, O beautiful for patriot dream that sees beyond the years. Thine alabaster cities gleam, undimmed by human tears. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crowned thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. And then it repeats, and crowned thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Okay, let's try the whole thing start to finish, and then we will add music to it. Okay, so from the start to finish. O beautiful for spacious sky, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesty above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. And then the fourth verse. O beautiful for patriot dream that sees beyond the years. Thine alabaster cities gleam, undimmed by human tear. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. And crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. All right, now let's try it with music. Now this music has a little bit of an intro. It kind of almost sounds like it's going to start a little bit before it actually does, but there is a children's choir singing it, so that's kind of a good little cheat sheet. It helps you know the words, and when you perform, you'll want to sing the words, but for now, they're saying the words for you, so it helps you remember the signs. Good job. We'll see you at the parade.